What is the salary of a software engineer in America? I am living in USA for more than 20 years. Many people would have told you that it is around 100k, which is wrong. I'm going to clarify to this question once for all. Watch till the end of this video. I am going to explain in detail. Your NRI Raja, Indian in USA. As per Indian tradition, whenever we see someone, the first question we ask is, how are you? Where do you work and what is your salary? But in USA, you're not supposed to ask a salary of a person. This is just a tip for you. Just like in any other country, it depends on a lot of factors. Depending on whether you are a fresher or experienced, and from which college you passed out your bachelor's degree, and for which company you are working for. For example, if someone passed the engineering from the regular bachelor's degree college, and if someone else passed out of IIT college, and if someone else passed out from NIT college, their first job salary will be different. For example, one of my relatives' son passed out the bachelor's of engineering from a private college in Hyderabad. Then he got selected in campus interviews and he selected for TCS. So he joined there for the package of 3 lakhs per annum. But he decided to do his master's degree. Then he wrote the GATE exam and he got selected in NIT. He completed his master's degree, then he got a campus interview and he got selected for another company where they offered 13 lakhs per annum. So if someone asks now what is the salary of a software engineer in India, it varies a lot. Now he bumped up his salary from 3 lakhs per annum to 13 lakhs per annum. So the salary depends on a lot of factors like how intelligent you are and from which college you passed out. So in the similar way in USA also the salary depends on a lot of other factors. So it depends on how much experience you have and from which college you came from and also how smart you are. So if someone starts their life here in USA and if you are a fresher, your salary will not be 100k. And also that depends on to which company you're going to. If you are very smart, if you are going to Facebook or Google or Apple or some of the reputed companies, your salary definitely will be higher. If you are an average guy, your salary will not be 100k in the beginning. If you have 1 year experience or if you have 10 years experience, the salary will be different. If someone completes master's degree in USA and if they start their first job, depending on where you did masters, your salary will be different. If someone is an average guy and if they start their life here on their first job, it may start from around 60 or 70k. As you gain your experience, your salary will be more. If someone is very talented and they can go to upper levels of management, then their salary will be totally different. Let's say if someone is making $100,000 per year and the salary of 100k is before taxes, and the tax rate will be also different depending on what is your situation, like if you're a bachelor or if you got married, if you have 1 children or 2 children or multiple children. For example, for a bachelor, the tax rate will be approximately 30%. This also changes depending on in which state you're working in America. And on top of that, there is a lot of cuttings like health insurance, dental insurance, your retirement contribution, and the vision insurance. So approximately 40% of the salary will be gone. So that brings your 100k salary into 60k. If you are a contractor and not working directly for the company, then contractor also takes his cut. And also for contractor, there is no fixed formula how much he takes. It depends on a lot of factors depending on the company and your expertise and the negotiation. Even if you make 60k after all the cuttings, everything boils down to how much you save. The cost of living depends on in which city you're living in and what car you drive, and it depends on your lifestyle. And in next episode, I'm going to cover how much it costs to do masters here and how much it costs to do bachelor's degree here. Subscribe. Your NRI Raja, Indian in USA.